This is a HQST 100 watt flexible solar panel that I've had for 2 years. I'm getting ready to remove it now because it's failed. This is my third HQST panel. This is, on the first two panels, this is what's failed first. It was the junction box. They leak, and what I started doing, as you can see here, is potting it. This is my third panel. I potted it, and it lasted for 2 years. The first two panels didn't get past 6 months. As you can see here, the panel lies flat on my hatch. This is the only place we've had it. We don't bend it around. There's just a slight crown to the hatch. When we do go sailing, we take the panel off and stow it down below. So it's always been in this position, and we don't step on it. We don't do anything to the panel except having it just sit out here in the tropical Caribbean sun all the time. As you can see from the meter here, we're not putting out anything, and it's appreciable at all. The panel is dead and cracked, and of course this is probably the reason that the panel is dead at this point. But this top coating does not last in the Caribbean sun. I've gotten 2 years on this, and it's totally failed. Okay, this is our solar panel again. Right here I'm going to show you the cracks. That's see, you can see that right there. Now, we don't bend this panel normally like this. These cracks have happened just from deterioration from the Caribbean sun.